Hi guys, welcome back to CK's Nails. Today I have an amazing review. I am going to be reviewing LizRenay's brand. I bought JawBreaker gel polish from her Artopia line, her Oh So Fine liner brush, which is 15 millimeters, and I bought her Berry Blue gel liner. And LizRenay did reach out to me and she gifted me a white and black gel polish. Now, I don't think you guys are ready for this because this is my first time using her products. So shout out to you, Nail It Like Melly and Straight Glam though. Those are my two friends that have put me on LizRenay's products. So let's get into it. The first gel polish I am swatching is Whitezilla, and this one is Insta Black, extremely pigmented, and this one's JawBreaker from her new line Artopia. Okay, now right here I am rubbing them to see if they're going to transfer on my finger, and they did not, and they're not sticky. Now this one is the Berry Blue liner gel. This is what all four shades look like. Now let's get started with the nail art. Today I'm going to be making Papa Smurf. And I am using JawBreaker as the background. And I did 2 coats of this just in case. I did mix her Insta Black and a clear base coat to draw the outline. And now I'm using the Berry Blue for Papa Smurf's skin tone. It is extremely pigmented and you don't need a lot of it. Truthfully, very pigmented, and out of all the liner gels I have ever used, her line is now my favorite to use. Look at how opaque it is and how smooth it's gliding around. And there's no air bubbles in it. It's just perfect. There's nothing I would do to change it. Now I'm going in with Whitezilla to fill in Papa Smurf's beard. Same thing goes with this gel polish. It is very light, very opaque, and it just glides right on. I had no issues working with it. Extremely easy to use. I'm absolutely obsessed with her white, and it's bright too. Perfect for French nails and character nail art. And this is how Papa Smurf is looking so far. I'm obsessed. And oh my god, guys, her liner brush is the easiest brush I've ever used. I was so scared from going from my usual 22 millimeter brush down to this 15 millimeter brush. Guys, this is the thinnest brush I've ever used. And it is the perfect brush I've been trying to find forever. But yeah, you guys can see how crazy detailed and how thin the lines you can get with this brush. And I am using her Insta Black gel polish to outline everything and add in those small details. But like I said, I love this brush, and this brush, I'm not even sponsored or affiliated by LizRenay. But let me tell you, I will be buying more of her brushes because do you guys see how much better my nail art looks compared to what it usually looks like? This brush, amazing. This is absolutely what I've been looking for in a brush. And it's so, I have wrist pains when I work on nail art. But with this brush, it was so much easier and more flexible. And the way I was able to do his eyes without a dotting tool and all the little detail work, like I said, I'm obsessed. What can I say? And here I am applying top coat. And this is her products that I have bought with my own money, and she did gift me the white and black. But here's the finished look, and I highly recommend you guys check her out. She's absolutely amazing and the sweetest, and her products are absolutely amazing.